Okay, more on strengthening the hexagon. I had some mold growing, so I decided to put ants in new pots. And look, this is cool. I put the robot in here with this little spring in his brass spring in his hand. The Doom character, little Doom demon inside it. And that's for when God comes from Taman, and the hiding of his power is he has horns in his hands. See how it's attached to his horn? That's one I did. I put 9 ants in that for Nineveh, because it goes back to Nineveh. And I took the onyx pot that I had for Nineveh, and I put this old inert from a flashlight. It's like one of those shake flashlights. You shake it up and then it gives it power. But I took it all apart because I thought it looked kind of like a lightsaber. I put 5 ants in there. Some are still in the top. They'll get out. So they can be up over the top of the ant farm, but they still can't escape. And then I took the ants that were down here, I put them up on the kiln to whisper out of the wind. Right here. Oh, we can't see it. Let me get a flashlight. Okay, there's a Dove aluminum wrapper down in there. And this stick from the pinwheel touches that wrap. It's on that wrapper, and it's on that tube. And every time it moves around, it causes that wrapper to scratch on the inside of that tube, so making a noise. So these ants inside here can hear that noise, so they hear the sound, the vibrating sound of the wind. I don't know. And check this out. One more thing. I've got this little mirror. This little mirror here. Let me show you. This is a mirror. There was a tag on the pinwheel. And I put it in between here, so the ants that go by, they've got infinite mirrors on both sides, so they can see themselves infinitely. Funny, huh? I guess that's about it for now.